4 years of hard work, more than 40 subjects, 400 experiments, 4,000 assignments, and nearly 40,000 hours of toiling, which a normal human being cannot do, and those superhuman beings are called as engineering students. And so, you are the ones, right? See, you have chosen a line which is not that easy to pursue, unless you're so passionate about it. But you children, you have three-dimensional roles to play. One is towards parents, the other towards your institution, and the next towards the society. Focus. You need focus. Because you know, all freshers seated here, your career has started now. Your academic career, your professional course has started now. It is as good as an aeroplane taking off. You all have the takeoff at the same time. 4 years, you will be on the skies, well above the others. In that 4 years of time, you have to introspect yourself. What's your strength? What's your weakness? What's your limitations? What is your area of interest, etc. Because your engines and your wings are fueled with emotions and financial support by your parents, with academic support by your faculty members and by the institution. And also remember, a journey is complete not alone by the takeoff. Also there should be a smooth landing. What if the landing gear fails? Normally, in an aircraft, when the landing gear fails, the pilot would resort to what is called as belly landing. The plane would land with its belly on the landing ground. At times that would cause substantial damage not only to the aircraft but also to the passengers inside. Same is the case. Even after 4 years of flying with a wonderful takeoff, with essential fueling from your parents and from your institution, if your landing gear fails and if you do not land properly, you cause substantial damage not only to yourself, also to your parents, to the institution and the society that is expecting something very innovative from you outside. So, keep your landing gear or keep your landing plan well ahead. If at all you wanted to have a smooth landing, then you must have sheer determination, sheer focus, sheer grit. You must have goal in your mind. You must have a vision for your future. You should always be the first person to take challenges. You should always be the first person to take calculated risks. You should always be the first person to try something new. And you should always be the last person on earth to give up a thing. Because giving up is failure. Never get carried away by silly pleasures and for instant gratification. Remember, you have to grow by yourself. And it doesn't matter how tall your grandfather was. If you want, grand results, then you have to handle grand challenges in life. So that should be your aim. So be happy. This is a butterfly period. Emerge out as a colorful butterfly. Is that clear? So you have now taken off, and I wish you all for a very smooth and a very victorious landing. Thank you, children. Thank you all.